Hello! In front of me I have Mibro Air smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically, how quickly the screen will turn off after we stop using the watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Here, scroll through the menu, select the settings icon, and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll up and tap on the off time option, and here we have the list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds, 30 seconds, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, and it goes up to, I believe, 105 seconds. Ooh, that's a lot of seconds. Okay, select the duration you like. For example, I'm gonna select something like maybe 10 or 15. Let's select 10, and then press the check mark to confirm. And now my screen should turn off after 10 seconds of an activity. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.